With my base roll around the wrist, and again, you have the roll on top. Do not roll it with the roll on. And the other thing is, when you're rolling this, you don't want to let the roll get away with you and try to roll. You keep the roll on the way, you won't have any tension, having the correct tension it too loose. It's just a nice, gentle, even twist. Second roll, and then again, I'm coming up the hand, coming through the back of the hand, and as I cut this, I cut my angle the same angle as the thumb, leaving about a 1/4 inch on the fiberglass. And when I come through, it lays down evenly with no ridges or wrinkles. I come around and wrap here to tie those little flipped pieces down. And then as I'm coming down, I'm angling down, and again, I'm laying the fiberglass half a layer down, all the way down. And then as I leave my margin at the bottom, I'm going to leave about 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch web roll showing through. I've got my layer for my flip on my stockinette. I can go ahead and cut off this first roll, make sure that's smoothed down, and then do my flip on the arm all the way around. My flip on the gumby, which is the thumb piece, lay that down, and then flip on the hand. And it's important to note, when I mentioned it in the notes, I always think of it as a diagonal line across the palm, and I think of it as going along the lifeline. So if you can remember, and this time I'm just going to make sure I'm going to catch all my corners for my stockinette, and then finish out by rolling down the arm again. Once again, half width layers all the way down, and then you finish out by anchoring it here. The other thing that I've come to find out through the years is, if you feel that this cast, I generally finish my cast and cut it, and I have the outside layer on the outside of the cast. Typically, if this starts to come loose, the cast, finish it on the outside. You can see fully flexion and extension. The thumb, there is no jagged pieces around. You've got it rolled because you do not want a cupping effect, which is bad, and all the fingers are squished together. But this is the palm. You do a slight forearm mold or cast.